Hi, my name is Nicolas. I'm the French e-reader guy, and today we'll talk about the new Kobo e-readers. So Kobo has announced 3 new e-readers. The first one is maybe the most important. It's a Kobo Libra Color. Color because it has a Kaleido 3 color screen, a 7 inches color screen, and in fact it is a Kobo Libra 2 with a new color screen. And in my opinion, it may be the most interesting e-reader on the market for 2024. So the retail prices will be $219, and it will be available at the end of this month, at the end of April. The next one is a new Kobo Clara e-reader with a color screen. It will be called Kobo Clara Color. It has a 6 inches Kaleido 3 color screen, and I think the retail price is also excellent because it is about $150, more or less. And in fact, there's no reason to buy this e-reader, a Kobo Clara 2e, today, because there's also a third e-reader which is called Kobo Clara BW for black and white, and it is exactly the same as this e-reader, the Kobo Clara 2e, but with a better black and white 6 inches screen with the technology of Carta 1300. So I think I will buy the color e-reader to make videos and reviews for the website. And let me know in the comment what you think about this new e-readers. Will you buy it? And so which one? Or maybe you don't care. So tell us what you think.